Welcome back to Course Maze. Today's session, our topic is boats and streams. I will explain the different types of problems related to boats and streams. For that, please subscribe to the channel and let's begin. First of all, let me explain the basic concepts of boats and streams. After that, I will explain it with questions. Consider this as a stream. The stream is flowing in this direction. Let the speed of the stream be s. Consider a boat traveling in the same direction as the stream. Let the speed of the boat be b. Now, the boat and the stream are in the same direction. That means the boat is in downstream and the speed is called as downstream speed d. Consider the boat traveling in the opposite direction to the stream. That means the boat is in upstream and the speed is called as upstream speed u. Now take a look at here. The boat and the stream are in the same direction in downstream. That means the downstream speed is equal to speed of the boat plus speed of the stream. In upstream, the boat and the stream are in the opposite direction. That means speed of the boat minus speed of the stream. This is a general equation for boats and streams. And also the speed of the boat is always greater than speed of the stream. Then only the boat can move. And now, time taken for downstream is Td and time taken for upstream is Tu. You know that speed is equal to distance divided by time. Time is equal to distance divided by speed. That means downstream time Td is equal to distance divided by downstream speed d. Upstream time Tu is equal to distance traveled divided by upstream speed u. This is also a general equation. These are all the basic concepts of boats and streams. All you want to do is don't by heart anything. Just understand the concept of what it is. Let's go for the first question. The speed of boat in still water is 7 km per hour. And speed of stream is 3 km per hour. Find the downstream and upstream speed. The speed of boat B is given as 7 km per hour and speed of stream S is given as 3 km per hour. We need to find the downstream speed and upstream speed. We know that downstream speed d is equal to b plus s, which is equal to 7 plus 3, 10 km per hour. Upstream speed u is equal to b minus s, speed of the boat minus speed of the stream, which is equal to 7 minus 3 equals 4 km per hour. See this question. A boat goes 16 km upstream in 48 minutes. The speed of stream is 5 km per hour. Find the speed of boat in still water. So it is given that a boat goes 16 km upstream in 48 minutes. So the upstream speed u is equal to, we note that speed is equal to distance by time. Here distance is 16 and the time is 48 minutes. We need to convert it into hours. We need everything in kilometer per hour. 48 divided by 60, because the 48 is given in minutes. We have changed it into hours. Now 16 into 60 by 48, cancel 20 kilometer per hour. Also, it is given that speed of stream S is equal to 5 kilometer per hour. We need to find the speed of the boat in still water. We know that upstream speed u is equal to b minus s. That means b is equal to upstream speed plus the speed of the stream. So b is equal to upstream speed is 20 plus speed of the stream is 5. So your answer will be 25 kilometer per hour. Let's see another question. See this question. Arun can row with the stream at 12 kilometer per hour and against the stream at 6 kilometer per hour. His speed in still water is. It is given that Arun can row with the stream. With the stream means the boat is traveling in the same direction as the stream. That means downstream speed d is given as 12 kilometer per hour. And against the stream. Against means the boat is in the opposite direction to the stream. That means upstream speed is given as 6 kilometer per hour. We need to find the speed of the boat. Speed of the boat. We know that downstream speed d is equal to speed of the boat plus speed of the stream. And upstream speed u is equal to speed of the boat minus speed of the stream. We are going to add these equations. D plus u is equal to b plus s plus b minus s. Plus s minus s cancelled. D plus u is equal to 2b. Now b is equal to d plus u by 2. Similarly, we need to subtract these two equations. We will get speed of the stream as d minus u by 2. Always downstream speed greater than upstream speed. And also you can remember like this. Speed of the boat is always greater than speed of the stream. So in speed of the boat you just need to add more. In the speed of the stream you just need to subtract less. In that way you can remember both. Here we need to find the speed of the boat. B is equal to d plus u by 2. Here d and u is given 12 plus 6 by 2. 18 by 2. Your answer will be b is equal to speed of the boat is equal to 9 kilometer per hour. Let's go for the next question. See this question. A swimmer's speed in downstream is 12 km per hour and the speed of the stream is 3.5 km per hour. Find the upstream speed of the swimmer. Downstream speed d is given as 12 km per hour and speed of the stream s is given as 3.5 km per hour. We are going to find the speed of the boat or speed of the swimmer, whatever it is. We know that d is equal to b plus s. Here b is equal to D minus S. D minus S, 12 minus 3.5, 8.5 kilometer per hour. Speed of the swimmer or speed of the boat is 8.5 kilometer per hour. We need to find the upstream speed of the swimmer, U. We know that upstream speed U is equal to B minus S. 8.5 minus 3.5, 8.5 minus 3.5, your answer will be 5 kilometer per hour. I hope you understand the basic concepts and problems related to boats and streams. I will be doing more videos with different types of questions in the upcoming sessions. For that, subscribe to the channel. This is Course Maze winding up. Thank you for watching.